Hello friends, if you want an internship from a good companies just like Misho, Paytm and different type of other companies which are now become unicorn and they are supported by the startup environment in India, and now they want some interns and how you can be that intern to get intern in that companies, unicorns of India. So this is the program from Appraise, and this is open for all the students in India, and you all can participate in this program. There is a there will be a very easy assessment test on October, in a month of October, and there they will decide total 300 students. They can take 3 to 600 students, and after that they will train you, and they will after that they will refer you for the different type of companies, and this whole the process is totally free. There is nothing to pay, only you get lots of things, lots of other learning is there in between this all the steps. And here you can see there are different type of they deliver the results. Here you can see PM at Unacademy project manager. He is in Swiggy. She is in Swiggy. She is in Zeta, and he is from Book My Show, and he is also project manager. So this program is only for project manager? No, this they will hiring in the four category. It includes project manager, data analyst, and different type of other categories. I'm just going to mention and I'm just going to show you. So if you want to get a internship from unicorns of India, whether it is Unacademy, Swiggy, Zeta, Book My Show, or Misho, different type of other companies, so this video is very helpful for you. And if you wants to know about this program of Appraised, there is a link in the description. Just to visit the description, and also you can visit the first comment of this video and go through the link. Just tap on the just go through that link and visit the Appraised platform and know all about that, because the things which I'm just going to mention, if you got it, then this will be very helpful for you and you must participate, because this is also supported by the president of, means the CEO of the Paytm. And he mentioned in a tweet, after that he mentioned in a tweet about this program, and after that the registration for the Appraised get a boost and a boom, and many of the students got registered for this. So if you are not registered, then you may late, but there is an opportunity. You may get this opportunity now as well. So here you can see introducing Embark, our granted internship program with stipend. So how you can there is registration is free, how you can, but you can register. I'm just going to show you. Don't settle for a certificate, it is a job. And you can see with the companies, all are the companies, unicorns of India, with Grad, Swiggy, Razorpay, MX Player, and Unacademy, Book My Show, all are all this trusted Indian companies hiring interns, and they got means the Appraised refer them, and they select all the interns from this. So this program is will benefits you all, and which type of assessments are there, which type of things you all got on their website, which is whose link you got in the description. As well as you need to sign in as in this program by registering on the for this test. How you can register, I'm just going to show you. But you can firstly I'm just firstly going to show you how you can register. In the above there is a section of register here for free, or if you go through the link you may get directly for registering on the platform. And after that you need to join Embark. Here you can see join Embark, if whether you are a student or a colleges. So if colleges want to connect with Appraised and want the internship for their students, then they connect here in this section. But if you are the student, then this is from student for the student, and just tap on join Embark, and there they refer you Here you need to create your account. You need to write your only your first name, last name, and after that your email address and your contact number. After that they verify through a OTP, and after that you got registered for this on this platform. And after registering, you find your tab, this type of thing. So here you can see I joined this. And you also got mock test for the assessment. There is a mock test also for the assessment which they are going to organize on 17th of October. And there is a mock test. You can see my mock test is on October 4th. And you can find which type of question they will going to ask on their exam. So if you want another slot, you can choose. And also get rewarded if you share this about this program with your friends, then they you also got rewarded. So you can find different type of thing here. Prepare for ESAT, you can prepare, and different type of things you can find on this tab after registering for this. So if you wants to know more, so just I'm going to show you. Here you can see granted internship, based in class stipend. All internship come with based in class stipends ranging from 15,000 to 70,000 rupees. Granted internship, and internship is granted to selected students. Total the students who got selected for this program get granted internship in 5 different career tracks. Which type of tracks you can find shortly, I'm just going to show you. Next thing is land a full-time job opportunity, because the internship which you are going to do is also they offer, if they get impressed by your performance, they will offer you PPO as well. Be a part of exclusive club, means those students who got selected, they are very good in their tracks. So in their so you got connected with them, you learn with each other, you got a good peers. So this will help you to get know more and get more about the industry which you wants to join. So you can see here, be a part of exclusive club. You will be among the finest brain chosen from 6,000 plus colleges. So these are the things. An immersive learning experience in a 6 weeks, total 6 weeks training they will give you. And in that training, you are going to learn about projects, tools, preparation, and different type of things. All about interview and structured contents are there, so that you got your internship through this type of companies which I showed you, Unicorns of India. It is the only program that offers job oriented training. Next thing is mentorship for the leaders. You got a mentorship from the students who got selected in the different type of companies through this program as well. And this program is totally free, that is the important thing. And you can see here, industry experts are partnering with Appraised. So who are them? So here to support 100% scholarship for the 6 weeks training program, these are the industry expert get partnership with Appraise. Whether it is Tanmay Bhatt, YouTuber, you all know, Ankur Wariko, you all know, he's very means his channel is doing very well on YouTube. And here founder and CEO of Misho, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder and CEO of Paytm, and different type of industry experts. You can see they are financing Appraise to get deliver this type of good result. And to make this type to select the students and give them a better opportunity to get free internship from different type of sectors. So you can see product and growth, design, people operations, business operations, and analytics. 5 tracks are there, and students will be selected for this 5 tracks only. And next thing is embark is best suited for which type of students. You can see engineering and science students, MBA students, arts and commerce students, and design students. All students can choose embark and get all the things about this. I already explained all of the things, and you can join them. Or you can also see the time schedule of taking ESET exam, so that you got the 6 month 6 week free training. So registration start from July and till September. You can you can claim your seats in this program. After that, you need to pass ESET exam, which will be going to held on October 17. And yeah, after passing round one, there is a round two and round three, and if you clear all that, then you got selected for this. And after that, all the candidates who got selected, they get 6 weeks free training, so that after that they get internship, so that in internship, if their performance is impressive, then they can convert into full time job offer as well. Secure an internship. You got internship in the month of December to January, and there is a chances of PPO as well. And I already mentioned different type of students get benefited by this, and you can see the list of students who get selected after you can see alumni of the oppressed, or they get selected after doing the training program and after going through all the process which I mentioned in this video. So you can see, if you have a doubt, there is a frequently asked question section as well. So I think this will be helpful for you. You can register for this program, so because this is very helpful. And if you are seeking for the internship, then this will help you to get an internship. So that's much in this video, friend. Meet in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I think this video will be helpful. So please like, subscribe, like this video, subscribe my channel, as well as please share with your colleagues and friends, so that they also learn about this program and get to know about this program, and apply for this program, so that they get an internship opportunity from an unicorns of India. So that's much in this video, friends. Thanks for watching.